سورة الإنسان.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا.
Has there not been over man a period of time when he was not a thing worth mentioning?
إنا خلقنا الإنسان من نطفة أمشاج نبتليه فجعلناه سميعا بصيرا.
Verily, we have created man from mixed drops of male and female discharge, in order to try him, so we made him hearer and seer.
إنا هديناه السبيل إما شاكرا وإما كفورا.
Verily, we showed him the way, whether he be grateful or ungrateful.
إنا أعتدنا للكافرين سلاسل وأغلالا وسعيرا.
Verily, we have prepared for the disbelievers iron chains, iron collars, and a blazing fire.
إن الأبرار يشربون من كأس كان مزاجها كافورا.
Verily, the pious shall drink of a cup of wine mixed with water from a spring in paradise.
عينا يشرب بها عباد الله يفجرونها تفجيرا.
A spring wherefrom the slaves of Allah will drink, causing it to gush forth abundantly.
يوفون بالنذر ويخافون يوما كان شره مستطيرا.
They are those who fulfill their vows, and they fear a day whose evil will be widespreading.
ويطعمون الطعام على حبه مسكينا ويتيما وأسيرا.
And they give food, in spite of their love for it, to the poor, the orphan, and the captive.
إنما نطعمكم لوجه الله لا نريد منكم جزاء ولا شكورا.
Saying, we feed you seeking Allah's countenance only. We wish for no reward, nor thanks from you.
إنا نخاف من ربنا يوما عبوسا قمطريرا.
Verily, we fear from our Lord a day hard and distressful, that will make the faces look horrible.
فوقاهم الله شر ذلك اليوم ولقاهم نضرة وسرورا.
So Allah saved them from the evil of that day, and gave them a light of beauty and joy.
وجزاهم بما صبروا جنة وحريرا.
And their recompense shall be paradise, and silken garments, because they were patient.
متكئين فيها على الأرائك لا يرون فيها شمسا ولا زمهريرا.
Reclining therein on raised thrones, they will see there neither the excessive heat of the sun, nor the excessive bitter cold.
ودانية عليهم ظلالها وذللت قطوفها تذليلا.
And the shade thereof is close upon them, and the bunches of fruit thereof will hang low within their reach.
ويطاف عليهم بآنية من فضة وأكواب كانت قواريرا.
And among them will be passed round vessels of silver and cups of crystal.
قوارير من فضة قدروها تقديرا.
Crystal clear, made of silver. They will determine the measure thereof.
ويسقون فيها كأسا كان مزاجها زنجبيلا.
And they will be given to drink there of a cup of wine mixed with ginger.
عينا فيها تسمى سلسبيلا.
A spring there called Salsabil.
ويطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون إذا رأيتهم حسبتهم لؤلؤا منثورا.
And round about them will serve boys of everlasting youth. If you see them, you would think them scattered pearls.
وإذا رأيت ثم رأيت نعيما وملكا كبيرا.
And when you look there, you will see a delight and a great dominion.
عاليهم ثياب سندس خضر واستبرق وحلوا أساور من فضة وسقاهم ربهم شرابا طهورا.
Their garments will be of fine green silk and gold embroidery. They will be adorned with bracelets of silver, and their Lord will give them a pure drink.
إن هذا كان لكم جزاء وكان سعيكم مشكورا.
And it will be said to them, Verily, this is a reward for you, and your endeavor has been accepted.
إنا نحن نزلنا عليك القرآن تنزيلا.
Verily, it is we who have sent down the Quran to you by stages.
فاصبر لحكم ربك ولا تطع منهم آثما أو كفورا.
Therefore be patient with constancy to the command of your Lord, and obey neither a sinner nor a disbeliever among them.
واذكر اسم ربك بكرة وأصيلا.
And remember the name of your Lord every morning and afternoon.
ومن الليل فاسجد له وسبحه ليلا طويلا.
And during the night prostrate yourself to him and glorify him in a long night through.
إن هؤلاء يحبون العاجلة ويذرون وراءهم يوما ثقيلا.
Verily, these disbelievers love the present life of this world and put behind them a heavy day.
نحن خلقناهم وشددنا أسرهم وإذا شئنا بدلنا أمثالهم تبديلا.
It is we who created them, and we have made them of strong build. And when we will, we can replace them with others like them, with a complete replacement.
إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا.
Verily, this is an admonition. So whosoever wills, let him take a path to his Lord.
وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله إن الله كان عليما حكيما.
But you cannot will unless Allah wills. Verily, Allah is ever all-knowing, all-wise.
يدخل من يشاء في رحمته والظالمين أعد لهم عذابا أليما.
He will admit to His mercy whom He wills, and as for the polytheists and wrongdoers, He has prepared a painful torment.